You've just taken an important step, a sacred pause for your peace. Let's begin by gently settling into stillness. Find a comfortable position. Soften your shoulders. Unclench your jaw and close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale, filling your belly with calm. Exhale, releasing everything you don't need. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Let your body begin to soften. Let your thoughts float like clouds in the sky. There is nothing to fix, nothing to force. Right now, your only job is to breathe and be. Now, in your mind's eye, imagine you're standing at the edge of a gentle ocean. The sun is low in the sky. The breeze is soft and warm. With each wave that comes in, peace flows toward you. And with each wave that rolls out, your tension is pulled away. Feel the sand beneath your feet. The air is light. You are safe here. As the waves gently move, repeat these affirmations silently or aloud. I am safe in this moment. I release what I cannot control. With every breath, I feel more calm. I am grounded, centered, and still. I allow peace to fill my mind and body. I trust that everything will be okay. I am stronger than my stress. My nervous system is relaxed. My heart is calm. Let these words wash over you like the waves. Let go of what's heavy. Let go of the story. Feel the stillness within you. Begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Gently in and slowly out. Notice how your body feels now. Softer, lighter, steadier. Take this peace with you. Let it guide your next steps. Let it speak through your voice. Let it fill the spaces of your day. Repeat softly to yourself, I am calm. I am present. I am enough. Take one final breath in and exhale slowly. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. You've done something beautiful today. You gave yourself permission to pause, to breathe, to reset. Thank you for showing up for your peace. Like and subscribe to my channel